Kuldeep. Hello, Kuldeep. Can you hear me? You're on mute.
Yes, I'm able to hear you, Vishal. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes, Vishal.
Just a second. I can't hear you.
Okay, okay. Now I'm audible.
Hello.
Yes, I'm audible now.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Actually, there is some problem with my computer. I'll just
Okay.
restart.
Okay,
Let me
okay,
just-
okay. I'm there only. No, no worries. I'm there only. Okay,
Sure,
this side.
sure.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Hey, hi Kuldeep. Very good morning.
Yes, hi Rohit. Good morning. Yeah, Vishal joined it, but his laptop having some problem, so he restarted
Okay,
his
okay.
machine. Yeah, he
No
will
worries.
join in sometime. Yeah.
Sure.
Happy Makar Sankranti to you.
Happy Makar Sankranti. Yes.
I think it will be. I will drop a message on group also right now, so
Sure.
might be
Will
some
do.
others will join. Yes, Vishal also
Yeah.
join
Yeah.
again.
Vishal. Yeah.
Yes.
Hi Vishal. Very good morning.
Good morning, Rohit. Good morning,
Yeah.
Kuldeep.
Yes. Good morning.
Morning. क्या चल रहा है?
Regular routine. It's good.
Okay. All good, all good.
Yeah.
So मैं ये सोच रहा था थोड़ा आज हम लोग इंट्रोडक्शन भी करते हैं because not everybody knows each other, no? So we'll have just a
Yes.
quick chit chat on that also.
Okay. Yes.
So आप लोग मुझे do you guys know me well? I don't know whether you know who am I, what I do. पता है? I'll start with myself then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So from the first session, I guess a little bit, not more than that. Yeah.
Okay. Were you able to see the recordings last time का किसी ने recording देखा था?
No, last time I was there, I guess. So I had not gone through the recordings for that.
Okay, okay. Hi, Vikas.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Morning, Vikas. Hi, Subhajit. Subhajit, sorry, I could not call you back. I was a little tied up.
No issue, Vishal. We will catch up later.
Yeah.
No problem.
So what I was saying is let's, if possible, if we can switch on cameras, it will be nice to see each other's faces Sunday morning. Hi, Rohit. Kuldeep, would it be possible? Cameras on?
Just allow me to this.
No problem, no problem. That's okay. Who's this Kokkula?
Yes, I think I'm not even just do it.
No problem, no problem. Hi, Kokkula. Hi. Okay. Siddesh Prabhu from other chat. I don't know who's this. Okay, no problem. So let us start with some introduction, at least till the time people will join. My name is Vishal, as you guys already know, and I am a Microsoft certified trainer. Have been training for more than 12, 13 years. In all, 22, basically 2 decades of all WorkX. I started with data analytics, and then I got myself into the training business. And mostly I train on MS Office products. And the biggest seller for me is Excel, VBA, now Power BI, PowerPoint, Word, those kind of things. That is what I do. So that's about me. And obviously, I also take care of the community with these groups that we are running. And I hope, and I see there is a lot of value which is adding it to uh, community, as well as for me also it is adding value. Although I may not, I don't see direct businesses coming from these community for me. Uh, but then I think people, because I run these groups, people come to know about me, and I do get business. So nothing like I don't get any rewards from it. So yeah, that is a little bit on me. So others can also start. Rohit, do you want to start?
Yeah. So myself, Rohit Agrawal, I had introduced, I guess, 2 sessions back, but still. So I'm basically a computer graduate, and I'm from Nasik. So from there only, and it's been over 8 years, almost 8 years that I am into the training business. I started with a general seed infotech, a local training institute here. And then I moved towards the technical background and towards corporate trainings. It's been 4+ years
Seed
that
Infotech
I'm a
band ho gaya na?
corporate trainer. It is still running. Most
Okay.
of the branches are closed, but it is still running. It is taking pace nowadays. In Pune, some of the branches have good response now in last 3-4 months. Okay, I had stopped working though with them. Many different people, those are in my connection, are because of seed infotech only, because the
Okay.
influence was such and the number of people they were attached to that particular organization is good amount.
Okay.
And nowadays most of them are working with different particular organizations, but in some way or the other way they were in touch with seed infotech, so that is there. So my basic areas of training are Oracle databases. I am a DBA, certified DBA. So Oracle databases, SQL, PL SQL, Python programming language. And over the period of time, whenever new technologies come, I try to self-learn them particularly, and then try to deliver the training. So I have done data science, machine learning, big data, Hadoop trainings in past. But recently I am concentrated on Python, Oracle databases, and cloud technologies. And yes, through this community, I have got many different trainings. Basically, one training for Oracle corporations I backed. And from that training, the regular business I got from there for over 1 year. And several different trainings also I backed from this particular community. So I'm thankful for that.
Good.
And my view for next, at least for this year, is I want to start a particular training institute actually in my local area as well. And my first aim here after this particular institution is to create and generate more trainers. Okay.
Wow, that's good.
And
That's good.
that should be the at least if they are giving 20%, 30% what I am giving, that caliber and that capacity of the trainers I want to create. So I was in talks with certain different people for TTT programs. I dropped a message for Vishal to Vishal also last time that I want to publish this particular message and rotate. So I had joined, but because of my busy schedule, I could not arrange that particular thing. One particular first session for TTT was to be scheduled in December, but because I received different number of trainings, it has been postponed, and till now my calendar is booked till March first week. So there is no scope for the TTT program till March first week at least. So hopefully in March I'll be having first session at least for TTT, where we will be
That will be in
training.
Nasik?
And Mostly I'm planning in Pune because in Nasik I'm not getting that particular crowd. So at Pune it is a center and some good particular people at least I am expecting 15 to 20 strength for the first session. So from
Okay.
there at least we can begin. Yep.
Okay, Rohit, thank you. We will discuss
Yeah.
on this a little more.
Sure.
Thank
sure.
you.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Kuldeep, you want to go?
Yes. Yeah. So good morning and happy Makar Sankranti to all of you.
Happy
So
Makar Sankranti. In fact, Happy New Year also, everybody.
yeah, happy New Year also for everyone. Yeah. So that's why because we had a gap in between for 3 weeks. So I thought that
Yeah.
yesterday or day before yesterday
Thank
this
you,
might.
Kuldeep. Thank you for
Yeah.
pushing
Why
us.
only Vishal needs to be take initiative? We also needs to be put something in there. Yeah,
Absolutely.
always I'm requesting meeting link to the Vishal only. So because it's
Yeah.
own thing. Yeah, so I'm having almost 12 years of experience into training domain. Like Rohit, I also started with a small institutions. I worked with like an Technocorp and IIST and like that things initially. Yeah, then from 2017 I started a freelancing. Okay, freelancing into the into IT infrastructure and cyber security. So mostly I'm dealing trainings on cyber security nowadays more. And previously I worked with a lots of vendors. Nowadays I also segregated all of them. Like not to work with more vendors, just 2-3 vendors to needs to be work, and whatever good business is generating, that is sufficient. And then needs to be spread the more trainings from the same vendors, not from the multiple vendors. Okay, that's I'm trying to do right now. And
Good.
that is actually a good thing. Also I'm getting the request like in 3 days before I got a request from like in one vendor. They're saying that there is a 6 months of training and they will pay for 6 months 3 lakhs rupees. Okay, so I told them, yeah, 9 hours of training and how you are paying. So they are telling that, yeah, we are getting leads also from my. So I'll go with them. So this is actually the problem. Actually, is getting
What training they want for 50,000 a
yeah,
month?
security training. And from the IIST 2 days back, I got a ITL training. So I told them, okay, ITL training 3 months training is a continuous batches from them. And they told that we have a trainer who did entire ITL training of 3 days or 2 days in 12,000 rupees per batch. So I told them, okay, it's not it's not possible for me. I will not definitely go for it. Okay, so right now the thing is that people getting a lead. They are saying the vendor saying that yeah, we have a lead. So that is actually the problem. So people
So
actually
what is your plan for the next year?
yeah. So next year actually my plan is to upgrade my knowledge. Like I am planning for CISSP right now. I got a certification of CISM last year, Miss 2022. This year I am planning for CISSP. Also, I am having a same plan like a Rohit. I like the way Rohit told. I also form my company right now, but not on my name. Just I form with my mother, sorry, my wife and father's name. So I founded the company, and I also having the same planning, little bit same planning to start some local business into training people, not the placement perspective, but with the knowledge and getting the conceptual perspective is there.
Which area?
Yeah, Pune.
Arey
Right.
Rohit,
Yeah.
the partner मिल
Yeah.
गया.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, I'm from Jalgaon. So, but I'm not staying in Jalgaon right now. I have a native place in Jalgaon. So, most of this, my parents are there always. Okay. So I'm planning also the same thing here to start with some business and doing some contribution to people. It's not just making the money. It's just spreading the awareness, creating some skillful people. That's the thing. Actually.
Okay, good Kuldeep. Kuldeep अभी कहाँ रहते हो?
Vishrantwadi, Pune.
Pune.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah,
Rohit is
but
staying
I'm
in
from
Nashik.
Jalgaon, actually.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have been to Vishrantwadi sometime. My relatives are also there. So I know
Okay,
that
good.
particular
Good.
area.
Yeah,
So Rohit,
Vishrantwadi.
Kuldeep से मिलो.
Yes. Sure,
Yes.
I able to know that Rohit's plan also. So we'll discuss
Yes.
definitely.
Yes,
Yeah.
you should.
Definitely.
You should.
Yes.
Yes.
Who
Thanks.
else wants to go? Subhajit is from vendor side. Subhajit, you want to talk about what you said also? Maybe that could be helpful to all.
Exactly, Vishal. So, hi all. Actually,
Subhajit, you want to
I
turn on
am.
your computer, turn on your camera? Would it be possible? देखने में मजा आएगा.
I'm in not the positions. If I'll turn on, like there is lots of things. Yeah, so that's why I just switched off my
No problem. ठीक है
camera.
चलेगा
Yeah.
सुबह. चलेगा Subhajit. बोलो.
All right, all right. Hi everyone. Good. I mean, Happy New Year first of all, and Happy Makar Sankranti.
Yes, I will.
Yeah. So actually, I am coming from the background because I heard about from Kuldeep, even like Rohit, lots of because I'm working with the edtech companies and started my journey from from Germany. Then after that, I started. I mean, I'm totally corporate guy. Okay, so I'm not the trainer or in nothing. Okay, so right now I am associated with Novipro Technology, and we are providing like the cloud labs. So we are the partner of AWS, Azure, GCP, Snowflake. So whatever the labs for the training, we are mostly providing the cloud labs to the trainers as well as the tech companies, and we are also associated with some of these big name companies like Accenture, Wipro, TCS, Sodaco, and all. So we are providing, and we are mostly like around 80 enterprise customers, 120 edtech companies, and more than 300 trainers. What we are providing right now, the cloud lab supports. So my intentions when I am having a discussions with Vishal, because this year what I take the initiative as a the as a like a cloud service provider, why we not able to go further to support all those trainers, first of all,
Yes.
to support them regarding the cloud labs, like what they are doing. So it's a vice versa process, like we can able to understand the market scenario, and also we can able to understand the business scenario as well, and as well what kind of the configurations, or what kind of like the minimum solutions if we will offer to the trainers, so they can utilize it and they can take it ahead for the future endeavors, right? So that is my motivations to work with the ground level people, because whenever we are working with the edtech companies or the enterprise companies, somehow sometimes we can't able to see the the challenges, right? Like what kind of ground level challenges when they are when the trainers going to provide the training to the the students or the learners. So what kind of challenges they are facing regarding the training, all the regarding the cloud labs. So that is much important to know for myself. And obviously the commercials part as well, some people are coming with like very cheap price. I saw that, so how it's possible, like I try to understand that one as well. And the most important, in the February month of February, we are going to have one trainers meet, where we are having like more than we are like thinking about like more than thousands people is going to be
Okay.
part of that the meet. And but right now what we got it, like we only got the what I say, the response like which I got, like around 300 not even 300, or near about 300. But some are asking for the virtually, some are asking they are ready to come to Bangalore. So that is the one of part where we facing the challenges. But last but not the least, that is my main things to work with the trainers, and support as much as possible to the trainers regarding the cloud labs, and try to understand all these business points from front of from everyone. Yeah, that's all.
So Subhajit, when is this planned?
So we are planning actually. The main thing is the challenges is facing what I told you. Like some people are wanted to make it virtually. Some people who wanted to come physically in person. So it's like 60 to 70 people who are wanted to come to Bangalore, and apart from that, all are once virtually. So
But date,
that's
do you
where
have a date in mind?
we are thinking like in Saturday, Sunday, because mostly trainer the second week of Saturday, Sunday in February.
Second week. जो हम लोग प्लान कर
Second,
रहे थे
Yes.
वैसा ही कुछ ना?
yes, second week is almost like an 11, 12. Okay.
10, 11, yes.
Yeah,
11, 12.
11, 12.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
So venue क्या है?
वेन्यू बैंगलोर में ही हमारा शायद रेडिसन लिया जा रहा है या मैरियट लिया जाएगा, तो लंच वगैरह सब कुछ रहेगा उधर ही। हाँ, then कि हम लोग मतलब presentations and how the things is going on in the market, and we are also trying to get the feedback from the trainers. So that is the main agenda. And how we will I mean make these trainers, I mean the community more stronger, more supportive. And whenever we are getting any kind of like the informations from the corporate level, that time we can also suggest some of these trainers to take it forward. So that is the main agenda for that connect.
I am available to come as in online because that time I cannot leave the house. There is some, my wife is also traveling that time, so somebody has to be there at house. So 11, 12,
Right.
11, 12.
11 12th is the tentative date, not fixed
Tentative
yet,
date.
because hmm, maybe here and there it's possible, maybe in coming I mean the third week also possible. So we
Are
are
you,
trying to see where we can
are you
get
taking
more crowd.
registrations already? Are you taking registrations?
That's why I called you that day. We are I mean we whatever the like I told you like 300, around 300 trainers what we have. So we what we know, like we already shared them. But apart from that, what I want from your side, or like the from all of your side, like I'm going to make a like Google form or the Novi Pro form. So what I where I need like some kind of like the informations, like what are the trainers mostly, I mean the training mostly delivered to the client, and that kind of thing. So I need some questionnaire, an idea about that to make that make that form actually.
So Shubhajit, you know what? I'll tell you what. ऐसा forms बहुत float होते हैं. So I do not
Hmm.
encourage that. Instead, what I
Hmm.
plan to do is we will have a directory of all the trainers. सर. So वो
Okay.
directory के अंदर ही हम लोग सब लोग update करने की सोच रहे हैं. So that you don't have to manually take this again and again. What do you say, guys?
That
आप
will be
लोग
that will be really
We
great
will
if you
do.
will
That
do.
will be
That's
good.
why that's the reason, like the I need the some suggestions, so that's why I connect with you that day.
In fact, I already have a directory. I had taken the registrations also, but since I don't really get time to do this, the trainer.directory करके एक website already up, it's already there. Trainer.directory, trainer.date. So dates में we can see the dates also, but we'll see कैसे इसको take. So again, what I plan to do is, instead of trainers and vendors trying to put, create their own databases, हर एक बार ट्रेनर को बोला जाता है कि यार मेरा मेरा फॉर्म भरो, मेरा फॉर्म भरो, मेरा फॉर्म भरो, पूरा प्रोफाइल भरो. So all those things we want to reduce. So we want to make it efficient. तो so
Exactly.
trainer.directory और trainer.date दोनों domain we already have. और उस पे हम लोग basically since I'm doing not for profit अभी के लिए, और जब तक पैसा नहीं आएगा तब तक मैं बना नहीं सकता हूँ, and I'm already spending money on doing this. So अगर ऐसे हम लोग कुछ 4-5 लोग मिलके ये करेंगे तो ये अच्छा हो जाएगा. And that's the reason, again, that's the reason लोगों से मिलने की reason भी यही है कि we may be able to discuss this, how to take it forward. Okay, so this is how. So लोग तो
Exactly.
गायब हो
That
रहे
will
हैं.
be real.
What happened to the meeting?
Please,
Where
please.
are people, and जो people join कर रहे थे वो भी चले जा रहे हैं. Where is that? What is happening यार? कौन था?
आज फेस्टिवल है शायद इसके लिए, तो अभी
Festival की वजह से
सबको
शायद
घर
से
पे
नहीं
काम.
I know. Honey, Honey had said yes. यहाँ पे तो बहुत सब लोग ने thumbs up किया था. View votes में जाके देख रहा हूँ. सुलक्षणा देवरा, Samantha Ramakrishna. Okay, so you guys continue. मैं phone कर लेता हूँ. Somebody could call Sharik. I'm calling Vinay. Somebody call Sulakshana. आप लोग वोट देख के एक एक जन को कॉल कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ कर सकते हैं, देखता हूँ.
So first शारिक को कुलदीप you call. Vinay को Rohit you can call. And
Yes.
Sulakshana I am calling.
I have only one vote here.
Hmm?
Yeah, sure.
Samantha also I am calling.
There was no response from Vinay. Okay.
Response का थोड़ा सा problem हो रहा है. I think Sulakshana joined. I think. Yeah.
Sulaksha, in the meantime, maybe what we were doing is we were just introducing ourselves again so that we remember who are we, what we are doing, etc. So, Sulaksha, can you hear me? Hi, Sulakshana. You're on mute. You're on mute.
Hi.
Hi, Sulakshana. So what we were doing is, I think most of are not here, possibly because of Makar Sankranti,
Correct.
Sunday also.
That's it.
So what we did is we just introduced ourselves. Can you introduce yourself, what you do, and what is your plan for this year? Maybe we can then just see what we can wind it up with.
Yeah, sure. I could see many of them here. Last time they were not there. This time, good add-ons. Nice to see you all. Good morning, everybody. I'm Sulakshana,
Yeah, good morning.
and I'm a .NET trainer. And since 6 years into freelancing now, totally 22 years into this industry, training industry, including college lecturer at a first level, and then I came to retail, and then gradually to corporates. So I do
Where do you
take
stay,
.NET.
Sulakshana?
I am basically from Pune.
Okay.
Okay,
Pune is from Pune.
पुण्यावरून आहात तुम्ही. Okay. मी पण
Yeah.
पुण्याचं.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm also from Pune.
great.
Puneri log.
Yeah.
Vishal, you are from where?
Mumbai. I'm from
He's
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hi, Pradeep. Good morning. In fact, good evening for you. You are still in the US?
No, I'm back. Guys, I'm
You're
back.
back? Okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. So, Sulakshana, what is the plan for this year? What are you planning to do? Agenda for year? Do you have anything?
Actually, I'm planning for some upgradation with Azure.
Azure. Okay.
Yeah, and currently actually trying on some hands-on with React as well. I already take Angular, but trying to expand the horizons as much as possible, as you know. So
I think Pradeep
that's
is Azure expert.
Oh,
Pradeep,
Pradeep,
you like to share?
Yeah.
I want
Nothing
to
to
do
share.
I'm looking out for developer track in Azure.
Okay, so that's you. You can connect with me. I can guide you on that.
Sure.
204 is the first one which you should go in for.
Correct.
AZ204 is the first one, and then decide what track you want.
Correct. You just put me your phone number in the chat so that I will call you.
He's there in our
Yeah,
group also.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
there in
there
the group.
in the.
Okay, okay. Okay, let's connect then. Let's connect on the group and then exchange numbers. Sure.
Sure.
Nice, nice, nice. Kuldeep,
Yes.
you're from Pune, you said. Which
Yeah,
part of
no,
Pune?
yeah, native from Jalgaon, but I'm in Pune from 12 years. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay. So
almost 12
you're
years
a Puneri
I'm
only.
yeah, yeah. So
I
I'm
think
here
Pradeep,
for
you are also from Pune, am I not? Pradeep?
Was that question for me?
Yes,
Yeah,
PNE.
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
yes, yes,
Oh yeah, I'm also from Pune. So from
Great.
past since
So I think we should meet
2000,
in
I'm
Pune.
settled in Pune.
Correct, correct, correct. We can
yes,
plan.
We
yes.
We
can
can
do that,
plan.
right, Pradeep? Maybe I can come down to Pune. Most of you guys are from Pune.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
let's
from
have a
Pune.
Pune meet at
Sure.
least.
Sure,
Yes,
sure,
Sure, we
sure.
can
Yeah,
do that.
let's
Yeah.
do
We
that.
can, we can.
yes,
So, Pradeep, see, since not many people joined here, my agenda for today's session, today's meeting was to understand in totality what is that we want to do this year, and what went
Hmm.
right last year, what according to it, how do we grow? So,
Hmm, hmm,
like
hmm.
Kuldeep and Rohit were saying that they want to start their own business, and they want to hire people, and so that they can also train and so on in Pune. So that is good agenda. My agenda again is on the similar front, but I don't know whether you guys know, I'm into certification. So I'm a
yes, sir.
certificate partner. I'm a
Yes,
certificate partner. So maybe if we can collaborate on that front also, I
yes,
can help you with the certification thing. Um, and Pradeep is ex Microsoft. Am I right, Pradeep?
yes,
Yeah, that's right.
yes,
Great.
So he can guide us, understand, navigate through that part and see what we can do. So this year, my
Navigate.
agenda is again
Sorry to interrupt you. Navigate regarding the certifications, or was.
generally, however,
Okay.
certification and all those Azure, all those things. I think you would
Oh
be more
yeah,
like a
yeah,
mentor to us to understand, navigate through the Microsoft technologies and how it goes.
yeah. Sure.
So also Pradeep, that MCT meet that normally happens in Bangalore or Chennai. Last year it happened in Chennai, right? MCT meet.
Yeah, it happens once in a year. So yeah, that totally
So
depends where it. Though I have never attended it personally till the time I was, I would say, 12, 10 or 12 years back when I was with Microsoft, I used to attend a lot of meets and all those things which used to happen. But after that, I'm more into my own business. I've told you, right? I at times don't even get time for all these things. I register online also, and then at times I don't find time for that.
It
okay.
happens, yeah.
So Pradeep, what is your business now? Other than training, what do you do? You do consulting as well,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, so I was always a consultant. In fact, with Microsoft, I was working as a pre-sales consultant. After that, I started my own. Then got into trainings, and this year, as you guys were deciding, I'm again launching a different brand for students, actually. So I've already worked a lot on that, and that's what is my goal this year to go in that particular field, because ultimately consulting takes a long time. So I'll tell you my challenges. If I take a consulting project, anyway 3 to 6 months are gone, and when I'm stuck with that, I'm not able to do the trainings. Now my problem is, if you are not able to do the trainings, those vendors, they start looking out for someone else.
yes,
So,
Correct.
yes,
and from past, let me tell you, from past 5 years, I've been working only with two or maximum three vendors. Why? Because other vendors, they connected, they I was not having time, and finally they stopped connecting. Good vendors
connecting.
also.
Yes,
The only
And
vendors which I work are two mainly, and they block me at least 1.5 months in advance minimum. So if you see my dates, sometimes if something gets cancelled, then only I get to attend someone else. But the problem is, it has become stagnant. I'm not happy with that. So I've been
Hmm.
doing this from past 4 5 years continuously. That's why I wanted to. Now I want
Hmm.
to more become like a entrepreneur rather than a
Trainer.
just a
Train.
uh,
Yeah.
what you call consultant and trainer or whatever.
Trainer. Yes.
Correct.
Good.
And I
So I,
see, actually there is a lot of demand in the market in the field which I am also going in for. Just to let you know, so my wife is a ex Kelly. So Kelly Services is their a company.
yeah.
She was working as an associate director, and last year she joined my company, and we she started the HR part where she places people, and that part, believe me, is going far better than what I'm doing, to be very
Okay,
frank.
wow.
So that's
So is it
where
manpower services that you are doing again, like Kelly?
yeah, so Manpower, Kelly, these are big brands. I'm ours is a small brand, but then because she has got connects because of Kelly, we do get good customers, or rather, we have good customers.
Good.
Nice.
So I think we should
Correct.
meet at Pune. I can come
Yes.
down to Pune.
Yes.
How about this month? How are you guys placed?
I'm mostly
Obviously,
available
it is going
post
to be a
25th.
Saturday, Sunday,
Yes.
or Sunday. Are
Yes,
you
yes, yes.
coming
Yes.
on
Saturday is
morning?
possible always. Anytime.
Saturday,
Yes,
Sunday,
yes,
yes.
yes. Saturday,
Yeah.
Sunday is possible. Yes.
And yes, I would like to
I'm
connect
also
with Pradeep regarding his future plans to concentrate on the student background that way. It
Yeah.
seems good, and it seems the similar thing that I wish to do. Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you are saying something, Pradeep?
no, I was saying even I'm free. I've kept myself free because of so this month obviously I'll be free. If you guys are
Hmm.
planning to catch up on Saturday, Sunday,
Hmm.
mostly I should be able to make it, unless and until something last minute comes up.
Okay.
Hmm.
That sounds good.
You, how many of you work on a Sunday?
Yeah.
No.
Sometimes it's sometime. Very rarely right
Rarely,
now.
we'll be
Previously,
possible,
Correct.
I'm
no
there.
problem.
Yeah. Previously, I'm working, but right now it's not. Yeah. Almost it's
Correct.
not.
Same here.
How about
Same here.
Pradeep?
Oh, I strictly don't work on Saturdays, Sundays, but then once you are running your own business, there is no
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday.
Understand.
I
Unfortunately,
understand it. Very
So,
I don't
good.
take trainings though. But
uh,
then if something else comes up, then I have to.
Yeah,
right.
Rohit and Vishal, when you will come, so we will arrange your stay here in homestay, so you do not have to worry. Yeah, stay anywhere, so it will be there. Homestay, homely food. No worries.
Pradeep, you're on mute.
Yeah.
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 Sorry, Rohit, you are
So
on
I
mute.
have many different places to be stayed. I have number of different relatives there. So
Okay,
no
good,
worries.
good, good. That's not a
If I
problem
land
also.
into Pune, if I daily stay one day I stay at my one particular relative, I can spend 2 months easily in Pune.
Great. That's good to know. Yeah,
Yeah.
good to know. Yeah.
Yes.
So let's see. Let us decide. For me, next.
This is
Um,
second week of Jan.
yeah. So
So we
22nd
Yes.
have
is the
just
next week.
2 weeks more, I think, max.
Yeah. So
No,
we have
not
got
even.
22nd, which is the immediate next Sunday.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I can come down on. I'll see. So this looks like it's available. So I'll just come in the
It's
morning and
possible.
then leave.
Yes.
So that is not. So that is also not a problem. So staying is not a
Hmm.
Yeah.
problem. 23rd and 24th, I have a training, so I can't really stay. So how are you guys placed on 22nd?
Yeah,
Next
I'm
Sunday.
available.
it's good. It's
Next
good
Yes.
for
Sunday.
I'm available. I'm
I'm
available.
available. I'm also available.
What
Yes.
time do you want to meet?
morning.
We. Huh?
10. Yeah,
First up
10,
only,
10 to
I
6.
guess
That's not
first
a
up,
problem
so
in
on
between
maybe
anything. Yeah.
around lunchtime.
Yeah,
Lunchtime. Yeah, we can meet on
Yeah.
lunch. We can meet for lunch. Yeah.
lunch.
Yes.
Correct.
I mean,
Sure.
Correct.
Will do.
we can plan it around 11:30, 12, and then
Huh.
continue till whatever time
Yes.
Huh.
we can.
Correct.
So we
Sounds
can meet
good.
at a hotel, or does anybody have a Pradeep, do you have an office?
No,
Okay, so we can meet.
after pandemic, all the offices were closed. Why spend money? When everyone is working from home, I have to
Yes.
Oh.
make a desk and other things at my place only.
Yes.
So you guys tell us where we can meet, because Rohit and
that
I will be traveling
that
down.
I
that
do
again
have
depends.
certain different connections, so I'll check with them also. if 2 or 3 different people are there, they will be willing to join us and they will be willing to do this. I'll
So
check with some particular place.
once
if
we
it is there.
decide that we
Yes.
want to meet on Pune in Pune,
Yes.
that's the plan. Everybody else can join.
Yes.
Yes. Correct.
Yes.
So
So,
we'll check out and I will let you know if possible.
where exactly you guys stay in Pune?
So Sulakshana, where do you stay?
I stay in Pimpri Chinchwad, but
Okay.
that
Okay.
is just what you can say, middle patch between Pune city and Pimpri Chinchwad. So
Yes.
it's
Okay.
just
I'm in Vishrantwadi.
okay.
So my place will be
Okay.
near Khadki. So
Khadki,
very
okay.
close to Vishrantwadi. Yes.
Okay. So I'm also stayed in Khadki previously.
Mostly
Yes.
coming from
I-
Pune's background.
Sorry,
Sorry?
Subhajit, you are saying something?
Mostly is coming from Pune.
Yes.
Almost everybody is from Pune,
Yes.
Oh, okay.
except for me and Rohit. And you are from Bangalore.
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
I'll be there in Bangalore in February end. Yeah.
Oh,
so Pradeep, where do you stay?
I stay at an IBM, but I was thinking which can be a common place for all of us where we can meet a center point. In fact, for you guys, when you travel from Mumbai, it would be easier for you to stay on the outskirts only, right?
Yes.
Somewhere
Yeah.
around Agrawal. That becomes a normal, a
correct.
common area which is near to
Yeah, true.
Sulakshana also, right? Sulakshana.
Right.
The name is correct,
Yes.
right? Yeah. And
Yes.
I can definitely travel wherever it is.
Yes. Me too.
Yes.
Not a problem. Like the only thing is it should be central to everybody, and while going or coming there should be no hassles to catch a bus, train, whatever it is.
Yes.
Rohit, how do you
So
travel?
I'll be traveling by bus only. So and there when I reach Pune, I will do a cab. No problem.
So for Nashik. So
So
I may
if
take my
we
car, but I think I'll prefer not to take my car. Maybe take a
uh,
bus.
bus
That will be
is
best.
That is more comfortable rather
because
you
you
are
Comfortable
have
rather
worried
than
the
about the
driving.
travel and the
Vishal, you
other
have
things.
a
Just sit
training the next
properly.
day, so
Yeah, yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
relax
yeah.
and go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So let's confirm it that we are meeting next Sunday.
Pune.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Next
Sure.
Done.
Sunday.
Will do.
Done.
And you guys, you three can host us wherever you feel
Yes.
that
Yes,
this is the
sure.
central location. You tell us that this is the place that we are meeting.
Yes.
It should be maybe
Uh,
relaxed. If it is, we can move around. If we can spend time, because
correct.
most of these hotels. Now I know I just whatever I know I'll just tell you that whenever I am traveling to Pune, if I take a car, just before the Mumbai Pune Express starts, there is this कौन सा है वो वड़ा पाव वाला कामत.
Kamath.
हाँ,
Yes.
हाँ.
Kamat, yes.
But is it a good place to meet? How is it?
Think is
It's open. वहाँ पर सब बात तो कर सकते हैं. But do
Yeah.
you think any other place? You tell me.
We'll
We'll
see.
check that
We still
out.
have 7 days
See,
to decide on that thing.
so
We can check.
what I
Yes.
feel is you will be coming from Pune, na? So around about Wakad, there are many hotels there, restaurants.
Yes. Wakad Bane. Yeah, Wakad, not
Correct.
Bane. Yeah,
Huh.
Wakad Bane. Yes.
Because that would be a place where you can catch your buses very easily. It's just 5 minute, 10
Okay.
minute, whatever.
Done. So let's have that.
So near about Wakad somewhere. I'm not very sure about the hotels there, but I think there should be many over there because Hinjawdi is very near to it.
Okay,
So,
fine. So we will plan. We will decide what to do.
yes.
Yes.
Sure.
Also, I was thinking that every week that when we meet, if we can
Hmm.
discuss a little bit on what we did last week, so that we can know, what are the different clients that we are meeting. Is there any direct client that we have? So
Correct.
we can also, so for example, Rohit, I understand that you're doing Python. So just recently, Airtel, who is my direct client, was asking for some reference for Python. So
Okay.
I took people from our group. मैंने बोला कि यहाँ पे फॉर्म भर तो मैंने वो फॉर्म का डिटेल सीधा उसको दे दिया. I was not even involved in
Yes.
that.
Yes.
So something like that, we will come to know that I know
Correct.
Rohit. So I'll just say Rohit's name. Rohit, you can go ahead and do it. So for Kuldeep, what you do.
Yes.
So this
Yes.
month, so my direct customers is L&T,
No.
L&T for L&T entire group. they have something known as central training or something like that, CTEA, central training. For Mysore and Mumbai, I'm doing direct trainings. So that's they are my direct customers. Airtel is my direct customer. Thermo Fisher was my customer, but the lady moved, so I don't know who they are working with. So recently, most of my training happens to one or two vendors, like you guys also mentioned. So there is this vendor called Here and Now. Here and Now is they are based. They're small. They are not really big. They are mostly into communication training and all those soft skills training. And their main customer is PwC. So I do a lot of trainings every month for PwC. That is my major business that it is coming from. And these guys Here Now, I don't know whether you might have even heard of this company called Here and Now.
No.
So they are good. They are good, but they're doing small businesses. So that is what it is. Yeah, L&T is they have started giving me more and more business, but again, L&T is not a good pay master. They don't really pay well.
That's what
Yes.
I was saying, because
Yeah, they are
there are
not very
many
good.
trainings for L&T, but no one takes it because of it is a very low pay master.
LTI also same way.
Same.
Yeah,
So
Same.
LN.
How
L&T has
about Tech
got many
Mahindra?
divisions. They've got many
Huh.
divisions. At least 18 to 19 companies within L&T. They are all independent companies. They call it ICs.
Yes.
So LTTS is technology services.
Hmm.
NTI, which is for their software
Yeah,
software arm.
software.
Correct.
IT
Soft.
development. Yes.
I
There
worked
there
with
is
LTI. Sorry for interruption. I worked with LTI also and engineering services also, engineering and technology services. So with the both, I have a experience. Like, and they are not paying well, but they have
they're
a
not paying
continuous
well.
business. Yeah, but they
But
have a
yes,
continuous. Yes,
they have
yes, it's
continuous
right.
business and
Yes.
they don't delay the payment or something like
Yeah,
that.
anything.
They are
Yeah.
genuine. Genuine.
Yes,
Do
yes.
you work directly with them?
No,
Me,
no.
yeah.
With yeah, he's working directly.
Ha.
In fact,
Because I
I
got some requirements from Synergetics for LTI, but
LTI.
because it was Synergetics, I was a bit afraid of doing it, because Synergetics does not have a good name in payment part. So I
Uh,
don't do much with them. She was behind me for more couple of plans. I said, you pay me a PDC and I will be more than happy to work for you. She agreed for one training, but then she didn't turn up after that. So,
okay.
uh,
How
that was
about
the thing.
Tech Mahindra's experience?
Tech
Is there
Mahindra,
anyone
I
working
was
with?
Not
just
worked it.
no, I worked with them some 3-4 years ago through some vendor only. Um, but there is lot of work that they have. They have a tedious evaluation process. Just now, like last week, I gave a evaluation for Tech Mahindra. They didn't. The vendor Zebia was the vendor. They didn't even tell me the result till now. They are just saying it is
Yeah.
on hold. It is on hold. Same thing
Hmm.
with you also. Anyone
No,
has
Actually,
no,
experienced
no,
this?
no, not with me. Take Mahindra like thing, but other people are actually doing that way only. They will
Hmm.
come
So this
immediately. They will form
Ha.
a technical discussion. I
Correct.
will tell about the IoT. I'll tell the
Correct.
names also. Emerson,
Ha.
Ericsson, then
Ha.
Sony,
Hmm.
Dell. They are coming to me saying that we want IoT training, and
Hmm.
they will never come again. They will never come. They will have a discussion, 2-3 round of discussions,
Correct.
and when I will
Everything.
tell them the price of the hardware, they will never come back, and the
Come
same
back.
training will come with another vendor.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah,
Correct.
this is the way. And you can see the name Sony, Emerson, Ericsson, Dale.
Big
It's
names.
the clients are there. Yeah. See.
Hmm.
Same thing actually. I just done the call for Harbingers. The
Yes.
training was almost confirmed on the call only. He said that I will tell the
Exactly.
vendor to share the PO and all. And then there were some 9 participants, and they had the Java training parallelly with my .NET training. So they had a good number of participants for Java. They said we are looking on and we are discussing and all. And then one fine day they are saying you release your dates, because we have just 9 participants. Management is saying whether to go or not. We are not yet fixed with it. So I said, then you should fix these things before making a call or before deciding the training. How do you
correct.
say that 9 participants are there? So we are canceling the training, or we are thinking to do or not, or what means the evaluator who was the top what I say authority to decide everything. He said that we have confirmed you. If we do the training, we are going to do with you for all the time. So everything finalized and all. Then he asked, okay, when the PO will be released in another next week, we will see. He said 7 days approx. I said okay. I was already in the training. So I said, okay, no problem. And then I only called him and said, he said that no, they are looking back and forth for it because they have just a few participants for it. I said they would have thought of it before doing the call and everything.
No, no, but Sulakshana, there are two aspects to it. The one is you are hearing this from the vendor. Okay,
No, no,
that
no.
is
On
one
the
thing.
call, the client said
Okay,
this.
okay. So the other aspect is when they get to know the actual pricing. See, definitely the pricing
Hmm.
is never discussed when you are on the call. It is between the vendor and the
Correct,
client.
correct, correct.
Now
That is there.
you tell the client that there is a X amount which is for the labs and whatever is your cost. See,
Hmm.
your cost vendor is aware, but the
Wonderful.
lab cost no one is aware. That is at times you decide on that particular call how exactly it would be done. Some vendors do are aware of that
No,
particular
for
thing,
.NET, what is the
but
thing is
then
we have a community edition, which is free. Lab cost is not included only with it. There is no lab cost. We have a community edition which comes
Who
free
was the
for
client?
Harbingers. So I
no, then the second thing definitely with the clients is always this, that they do want to get the training. It's not the problem of those people.
hmm,
Ultimately, when they go ahead and give the budget to their whatever
Vendors.
approvals, that's
hmm,
where it gets stuck.
correct.
You can't do
That
anything
only
in that
anything for
because
that.
yeah, because we all five can decide as a team in a company that we need this training. But when
Hmm,
you go out and check out the price and when you have to take approval, we might be ready,
hmm,
but they might not.
correct.
Correct.
So this
Hmm,
is
Yeah, something
anyways, you
similar
have to
happened with
live
me
with
with,
it.
yeah, something similar happened with me for Kotak General Insurance. So again, that reminds me, Kotak General Insurance is also my direct client.
hmm,
During COVID, they did not really bother about the costing, and they
hmm,
had given me good price for whatever trainings for Excel training that they had done. So
hmm,
they came back. So the person who was working with Kotak General Insurance, that lady left. Uh, and then after that, somebody through some other source came to me saying that, you had done training for us. Can you do? So yes, why not? And then when I gave them the price, the same price, the same price which I had done last time, they were saying, नहीं नहीं ये price तो नहीं होगा. And
correct.
then मैंने बोला ठीक है, I'll reduce the price, whatever the price. तो वो confirm
Correct.
भी हो गया. But then after that, तो बोले हाँ चलो done, confirm. We will send you some PO. मतलब अभी जैसे आज संडे है, सैटरडे को I call them.
हाँ.
I've not मंडे को मेरा ट्रेनिंग है. I've not got
Yes.
any invitation कहाँ आना है क्या करना है. अरे ट्रेनिंग कैंसिल हो गया. ट्रेनिंग
I know.
कैंसिल हो गया बिकॉज नॉमिनेशन नहीं आए. Oh, nonsense. So now I've started understanding कि अभी ऐसा होता ही रहता है. So this is a loss
हाँ.
that I have to bear.
Yes.
And since
Correct.
it is a direct customer
Correct.
also, what can we do?
This
Correct.
phenomenon, I generally call it the effect of AI people, AI ML people. The new hirings, whatever the organizations do, the new
Hmm.
hirings, new people generally feel like we can turn around the particular table, we can turn around the working of the organization, like cost cutting is there or any other field is there. So this thing happened with very well renowned organization, that is Zensar Technologies. As I can say that in Pune, we have one Sakal organization and there is
Correct.
APG Learning. So this
Hmm.
APG Learning is a middle person or a thing which organizes different particular trainers, and it is just like a vendor to them. And
Hmm.
APG Learning went through number of different people, changes into the board members and the teams, whatever the teams. So everything is put down, and the new beginning and the new particular hierarchy has been created there to hire the trainers to do the trainings and the other things. So because of them, they are been into losses in last 6 to 8 months. So it is the effect of AI ML people that I generally say that thing. So it is just around of just because of some new people are there who feel like the earlier people did not know how to work and how to save the particular penny, and now these are the people who will decide on the future of that particular organization. Yes.
Yeah. As
Okay.
of now, actually, I'm doing one direct training for a Techni Plus client. So it's a small company in Bangalore. I wish some who is there's someone from Bangalore. We said now
Shubhajit.
Subhajit.
Yes.
Yeah. So they are in Bangalore, and I'm doing a direct training for them. It is just 2 hours. Okay, every day just 2 hours. It is for you can say L2 people. So they are already into Java, but they want to learn front end. We do front end trainings as well. So I'm doing the
Sulakshana,
training.
just to clarify, Subhajit is not a trainer. He's from a company called Nevu Pro, right? Nevu Pro,
Maybe.
and they are into Subhajit. What do you give? Labs. They sell labs.
Labs.
Uh,
Yes.
Okay.
we are providing labs to the corporate, even like the trainers as well as the edtech companies, the bigger edtech
Hmm.
companies like NIIT, EduRamp, EduReka, Simply Learn. So
Hmm.
we are providing end-to-end labs.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Subhajit, would you be
So
able to
right,
refer to us
yeah,
for a direct customers? So, for example, the company.
yes,
So it would be like,
that's yes, that was one of the things because we are not into training. We are just providing the clouds. Okay,
Yes.
so when
And
we are
if
working
possible,
with
if you
the
can
all the
share the this thing, the costings, minimum costings for a particular minimum lab setup that you can provide.
yeah.
Correct.
exactly, I will
So certain
definitely
time
do it.
different vendors do ask that whether the trainer will be providing the lab setup and the
Correct.
or he knows a particular lab provider that way. Yes.
So
Exactly.
we could be doing that,
Yes.
right? We could be collaborating then.
Yeah, I'll
Now,
do that.
since
I'll do that. So
okay,
what
so
right now what we see the physical yes, please, Vishal, you were saying something.
sorry. So what we'll do is we will try to always stick to the time. We start at 11 and we start to want
Yes.
to close at 12, so that everybody gets into habit that ये आगे जाएगा नहीं, ये
हाँ.
time से ये time पे ही रहेगा. So that so this is only 3 minutes left to go. Shubhajit, you want to have something? You have to say something. We can you say that. Then let's have some closing statements and then we will connect again on WhatsApp. So Shubhajit,
Yeah.
over to you.
Sure. Yeah, so my because the last years we I worked actually the personally like around 200 300 trainers, and we I support them for the cloud labs when they are coming with any requirements for the cloud
Yes.
lab. And apart from that, when we are working directly with the clients like Wipro, TCS, Accenture, Cognizant, so that time they are also approaching us for the trainers, only the trainers. So that time we do not have the capabilities for the trainers, so even like we are not dealing with the trainers or something, so we refer directly to the trainers like this is the number, this is the contact information, they are into that I mean the technology they are providing, so you
Correct.
can connect directly to them. So we are not going to interfere anything in between. So this year, what I am seeing, like every month, at least from the Novipro team, like I also approach to my management and even the stakeholders as well as the investors, like why we are not gathering all those trainers, and I will work on that. So if we are going to get a good number of like the responses from the, I mean the trainers, so we will work on that. We will see the ground level of, because they are the most important part who are providing the training, right? So if we will see their challenges, if we will see their feasibility, if we will see their like what kind of problem statement they are having regarding the cloud or the training, so if we will deliver that kind of solutions to them, that will be most important, and we can able to like structure ourselves as well at the same
Correct.
direction, right?
Okay,
So
Shubhajit,
that is my
sorry to
motivation.
block, sorry to stop you there. So I would want to stop exactly at 12, exactly 12. So just give me 1 more minute. Thank you,
Yeah.
Shubhajit, and we could have we could have these kind of collaborations. It is already 12. I'll just take last minute. So to sum it up, we are meeting on this next
Sunday.
Sunday. Next
Coming
Sunday,
Sunday.
you guys can decide where we can meet. I and Rohit will come down there using whatever means that we can. Subhajit, I don't know whether it would be possible for you, but if not, no problem.
For this month is not possible, but yeah, coming month. I
No
will
problem.
Be,
We will update you what is going to happen.
Correct.
And we can also have people like Subhajit who are even if they are not vendors, they could also give us idea of what the industry is all doing all about. And that's it. I think Kokkula just joined. Kokkula, we are just closing the session.
He just joined. Yeah, we are talking on LinkedIn actually right now. Yeah, and again he connected.
Okay, Kokkula, you want to say something? We are closing the session. Kokkula, where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Vadodara, Gujarat.
Vadodara.
You're
Yeah,
from
he's from Vadodara.
Gujarat. Okay.
I was connected sometime back here,
Yeah.
but it was disconnected.
I understand. So I was just wondering what happened. Kokkula, are you a trainer?
Yeah, I'm a trainer and this
What do you train
last
on?
year in September I've started vendorship also.
Okay.
Great.
So I'm doing the vendorship also. And I'm a trainer also.
So guys, just we are above the time, but let's give Kokul 5 minutes. What do you train on, and which customers do you deal with
I'm into
directly?
the Java. I'm into the Java. I'm a Java trainer.
And which
I'm
are the
doing the
customers
vendors.
that you are directly connected with?
So connected with means right now I'm doing some not directly till now I have not have a direct companies. I have only one company in China in Chennai who have direct direct to me,
Yeah.
and all others I'm doing the sub vendorship.
Okay.
All right, Kokul. So just to sum it up, Kokul, we are meeting whoever is here in the call. We are trying to meet next Sunday
Sunday.
in Pune. In Pune, I'm
Yes.
not sure whether you will be able to come down to Pune, but this is happening. We will update you if you are not coming. Sulakshana, Kuldeep, Rohit, Pradeep, and myself have confirmed that we are meeting next
Correct.
Sunday.
Correct.
So let's speak about it. Are you there in a group, Kokul?
Yes.
Yeah,
I
I'm in
think
the group.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So thank you everyone. Everyone, thank you for
I'm
joining.
in the group with the Josna Computers with the name of Josna Computers.
Yes. Josna Computers. Yeah.
Correct. Josna Computers.
Okay, Josna
Yes.
Yeah, his
Computers.
name is Sridhar.
Yeah, I'm in
Sridhar.
Sridhar.
Okay.
Sridhar.
So what we'll try to do is we will at whatever time that we are meeting, we'll also try to see if we can join live online with everybody else.
That's
Yeah,
what.
so that
That's
they
what.
can
We can do
also
that.
see
Yes.
what is happening, and let's have this rolling. Thank you everybody.
Correct.
Yes,
I think
thank
let's
you.
close
Thanks,
the
thanks
Yes.
close the
everyone.
session
Happy
for today.
Sankranti,
Thank you very
everybody.
much for everyone time.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you
you.
so
Bye
much.
Happy
everybody.
Sankranti.
Bye.
Nice pleasure.
Happy
Happy
Sankranti.
Right,
Sankranti.
guys.
Happy
Happy
Sankranti.
Sankranti and Happy New Year. Yeah.
Happy
Yes.
New Year to all.
Yes.
Bye
Yes.
everybody.
Bye.
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 Bye bye.
Bye.